Hello and welcome back to my channel, Annette's VanTease, where I travel part-time in my self-converted van. He's running from the... Oh my gosh, he's running from the Sasquatch. I think he's scared. Oh my gosh. Right now I am on Go Road. I think around mile 25 is where the Bigfoot film was filmed. So check out last week's video. Found some evidence. Okay, so it is the next morning and I have bad news. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. It was so bright. If the motion light went off in the dark, that light and that light is so freaking bright that I can't, it's so bright. I can't see anything outside, and I think everything can see inside. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? Oh, it does work. Ah. I don't want my shoes on though. This. Am I far off the ground?
No.
I'm on the ground?
No.
It's a little too hot right now. Had we gone down a half a mile? This is nice. I think there's a sign there. That's nice right there. It's shady. What does that sign say? I think it's a stop. Wow. So far, it's 1 o'clock and I think we got here about 3:30 yesterday. We haven't seen a single car at all. It's Saturday today too, and it's not even a dirt road, it's a regular road. There's no one up this way. That is how remote we are. So I'm just walking down the middle because there's nothing here. I'll probably walk a mile or so just to check it out. Seeing it might have been nice had we gone to that area. That's totally flat too. So there's another little road there, but it goes to a dirt road and it isn't that level. That other one up there, that was nice. And can you tell? I didn't come prepared. I didn't know how far I was gonna walk. So I have a root beer, half drinking, it's almost empty, and no water, and no sunscreen. But, I mean, it isn't hot out. So far I've walked about a mile. So maybe I'll walk another mile and then head back. Because I didn't tell Anthony where I was going either. So he doesn't even know I left. I think we're coming up on mile 12 though. So as you can see, I'm standing in the middle of the road with no care in the world because I stayed here. We've been here for almost 24 hours and not a single vehicle has come down this nice paved dirt road. So we're staying another night. Again, check out the last video to see more about it. Basically, we're in Bigfoot country. We're doing some hunting yesterday and we're camped out on Go Road for another night. My afternoon walk. Once it gets shady enough, I'm gonna try the hammock out again. Yeah. So it's cool in the shade, but in the sun it's fairly warm. So I have the van all open right now. Anthony's taking a nap or watching videos or something. I don't know. But yeah, let's go. You tell me, does this look spooky to you? Knowing that no one has been down this road? Just in the middle of Bigfoot territory. Yeah. I don't know if I got that. Just in case I didn't. As long as we hear birds, I think we're safe. And I hear birds right now. Yes, we're good. There was noises. My heart is racing. Woo. Woo. What are you? Oh my god. I don't know what it is, but it freaking got my heart racing. What are you? Is it a bird? Oh my gosh. It didn't make a normal noise. My heart freaking raced. I'm probably like 3/4 of a mile back to the van. I'm by myself. He might hear me scream, but the wind blows and he doesn't know where I went. Alright, I know it's super windy. But who wants to come back with me? Look at that. There is a freaking like leveled pad right there. You can probably get 3 crunched in. There's a little shady road to like take little bikes down and check out maybe. Who wants to come back with me when they open the road up and actually go all the way up and maybe camp out there? Because you know I gotta come back. And can you tell just by the way the road is and the way everything's fallen, no one comes down this road. No one. And I'd have to say this is a good representation of the road. There's no cars, trucks, anything coming down here really. Wow. It's been 23 hours. That was the first vehicle we've seen. So they must have stayed up around mile 15, which is as far as you can go. So I'm glad we didn't go up that way because we would have been turned around because I would have already been up there. Okay, so I am super curious. I know I didn't tell you what this road is and what the significance of this road is in this video. So if you haven't seen the last video, go check that out here and let me know, would you sleep on this road? This is the famous GO Road, short for Gasket to Orleans. It's a road through sacred ground, broken by resistance, and now some say haunted by more than just history. Maybe Bigfoot lives up in these here woods. GO Road, it was meant to connect two remote towns across Northern California's Six Rivers National Forest and connect to Crescent City near Oregon. Construction began in the 1960s, but the project sparked decades of resistance. Tribes fought to stop it. The road threatened lands they held sacred for generations, millions of years. Despite lawsuits and protests, the government pushed forward. The road was never finished. About 13 rugged miles in the middle remain unbuilt. So the sections on each side is roughly 21 miles each, ending in a wilderness with no connections, and the locals call it the Lost Highway. Okay, let's go back to camp and maybe I can relax in the hammock. Thank goodness for this, because it is a little warm in here. Outside, we have a motion light out there. Okay, I'm ready tonight. We'll see how it goes. Dinner by the fire.
Crappy fire. That's it.
Going fast. Shoot!
Holy shit.
He's running from the... Oh my gosh, he's running from the Sasquatch. I think he's scared.
Jeez.
How fast was that? Oh my goodness, last night I had a jump scare again. I heard noises coming from that direction. I was standing out looking at the stars because it was a dark, starry night. And I was standing right in over here and ran as quickly as I could back to camp. Oh my gosh, we're on top of the clouds. There's no one behind us. Oh my gosh. These clouds. Freaking crazy. There's on this side too. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we gotta stop here too. Hold on. Whoa. 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 Oh my gosh. This is where Ansel Adams got his art from.
Very nice. This is definitely better than the other one.
Yeah.
Trees for miles.
Now we're in check back for the next video for the next Bigfoot adventure. We won't be hunting it per se. It's a little different, so just check back. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I always say, life is too short for boring dreams. So shake things up and check back next week for my next adventure. And if you like this one, go check this one out.